In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to apply conditional formatting to rows based on changing values in Excel. We'll be using a simple technique in Microsoft Excel that automatically highlights an entire row whenever a value changes from the row above it. This is especially useful when you're working with grouped records and want to make those group changes stand out more clearly. To begin, open Microsoft Excel and locate the worksheet that contains your data. In this example, the data includes two columns, customer and region. The sample entries show several customers grouped by region, such as North, South, East, and West. The goal is to highlight a row each time the region value changes compared to the previous row. That way, transitions between groups are much easier to spot at a glance. Next, select the data range you want to format. For this example, the range is A2 through B8. It's important to select the full set of rows you want affected, because the conditional formatting rule will apply across that entire selection. Once the range is selected, go to the Home tab, choose Conditional Formatting, and then click New Rule. In the New Formatting Rule window, select the option that says Use a formula to determine which cells to format. This is the option that allows Excel to compare each row with the one above it. Now enter the formula. If the region values are in column B, type this formula equals $B2 not equal to $B1. Written in Excel, that is B2 B1. What this does is compare the region in the current row to the region in the previous row. If the two values are different, Excel treats that condition as true and applies formatting to the row. After entering the formula, click Format. Choose the formatting style you want to use. A light fill color, such as light yellow, works well because it makes the row noticeable without being too distracting. Then click OK and click OK again to apply the rule. You should now see that the rows where the region changes are highlighted automatically. For example, if the list moves from north to south, that first south row will be highlighted. The same thing happens when the data shifts from south to east and from east to west. This creates a clean visual separation between groups and makes your worksheet much easier to scan. If your data changes later, the conditional formatting will continue to work automatically as long as the rule still applies to the selected range.